Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can subscribe to Remini Pro. First of all, go ahead and open up the Remini application on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, tap on the Pro button from the top right corner highlighted in red. Now you will be able to see this option on the next page. Go ahead and choose the Pro option and see what kind of features will be added in the Pro version. You'll get more AI photo generations, no ad, more AI filters, more photo enhancement, desktop access and video enhancement in the Pro version. Go to the top right corner and tap this little drop down and choose whether you'd like to make a yearly subscription or weekly. If you choose yearly, you will be able to get some of the discounts. And now once you are done, you can also tap on this little square at the bottom of the screen to enable free trial. Now tap on Start Free Trial and follow through the instructions. Make your payment and the first week will be free. Then it will renew automatically at the shown price at the bottom. So that is how you subscribe to Remini Pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.